Office in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, southern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near LaPorte and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Gulliver Park, North Liberty, Lakeville, Kingsbury, Byron, Rolling Prairie, Stillwell, Fish Lake, Crumstown, Tea Garden, Lopos, Linkville, Lake of the Woods, Woodland, and Wyatt. This includes Interstate 8090 in Indiana between mile markers 45 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, and St. Joseph.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend and KZZ36 in North Webster. Visit our website viaweather.gov/IWX.
This is a special